Armstong outdoor TV case, freestanding portrait mode. 1. Waterproof, anti-rainstorm, anti-vandalism. 2. Patented design, the main body is made of 1.5 mm high-strength carbon steel plate. Integrated welding and forming, the structure is sealed and waterproof, and the waterproof level is IP65. The surface is treated with anti-rust car paint, which is anti-rust for life. 3. Equipped with a 25 kg level hydraulic strut, it can be operated by one person with one hand, which is convenient for opening and maintenance. 4. The strut model adopts a dedicated fan for Lenovo notebooks. The upper, middle and lower three-way fans have a powerful heat dissipation scheme. According to the air thermodynamics principle of heat rise, strong heat dissipation 5. Bottom fan, inhale fresh air 6. Cover fan, for screen heat, independent cooling 7. The side fan accelerates the discharge of internal heat 8. The three-way fans work at the same time to form internal and external circulation, which instantly reduces the humidity of the screen to below room temperature and extends the life of the screen by more than double 9. Equipped with 15 amp industrial-grade server sockets with surge protection switches. 10. Equipped with an intelligent temperature control switch, when the screen temperature is higher than 25 degrees. It will automatically turn on the fan to dissipate heat. The fan is automatically turned off below 25 degrees to ensure that the working life of the screen and the fan is doubled 11. Equipped with 63A air switch, industrial-grade 12V10A switching power supply, independent circuit power supply, isolated TV power supply, protecting the screen from the influence of the circuit.